With the work at home situation right now, I'm learning that my desk setup isn't really perfect. My monitor isn't high enough. So I'm gonna make a quick stand out of some wood that I have. This is actually a shelf out of an old cabinet. I got the cabinet from a Habitat for Humanity, bought it from them. And I actually had the cabinet purchased because I built a countertop around a stove in the basement for my mother-in-law. So this was an extra shelf from it, and I keep that type of stuff because sometimes it's decent wood. I like that old type of look like that, and it's like an antique sort of. So what I'm gonna do is got the base. I got the back, and then the top, and then I have some supports. So that'll be my stand that I'm gonna make, and I got storage underneath. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's the wrong one. Oh yeah, I gotta drill that out. That's why I went for that one. All right, so that's the top. And obviously it's got a dip now, so that's why I'm gonna put these brackets in. Thought I cut this and this at the same time. I really did. But clearly, I didn't. You know what? I think I'm gonna just make a little, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna make a very little support right there at the end. So I'm gonna cut these much smaller. Well, this is more challenging than I thought it would be because I didn't measure much. But what I'm doing, it doesn't matter. All right. I'm going to trim off a little bit on this edge because I want it to be lined up. The bottom's good, the top got off a little bit. I got some Old English here I'm gonna use to touch it up. I sanded it real quick just to smooth out some spots I wasn't happy with. A bit of blotchiness I'm getting, but not bad. And that stuff that avoids the blotchiness, man, that stuff is nasty. I don't like using that, so. Glue. That's perfect. That is exactly what I needed. That will allow me to put my computer that I use for work
Bye-bye.